Believe it or not, Japan consumes about 80,000 tons of salmon sushi every year. That's equivalent to the weight of over 14,000 elephants. Sushi isn't just a delicious bite, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein, sushi represents a cornerstone of a balanced diet. These ingredients are essential for heart health and maintaining muscle mass. So if sushi were a country, it'd definitely be heavyweight, right? Let's dive deeper into Japan's treasure trove of healthy eats. Ever wondered why miso soup accompanies every meal in Japan? There's a miso good reason for it. This traditional Japanese staple isn't just a delightful appetizer, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. At the heart of miso soup is miso paste, a fermented blend of soybeans, salt, and koji. The fermentation process turns these simple ingredients into a probiotic-rich food that supports a healthy digestive system. Miso is celebrated for its ability to contribute to gut health. But its benefits don't stop there. It's packed with essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. These elements help boost the immune system, lower cholesterol levels, and even reduce the risk of serious health conditions, such as heart disease and cancer. Not to mention, miso's versatility shines in Japanese cuisine, where it's used in everything from marinades to salad dressings, proving that it's much more than just a soup ingredient. And just when you thought miso was just a soup starter, it turns out to be a gut health superstar. Not just a tea ceremony staple, matcha is the incredible hulk of teas packed with antioxidants. Now let's delve into what makes matcha a powerhouse beverage. Originating from the same plant as green tea, matcha involves the grinding of young tea leaves into a fine powder. This process retains all the goodness of the leaves, making every sip a journey into wellness. Rich in epigallocatechin galat, or EGCG, matcha stands out in the tea world. EGCG is a superhero when it comes to enhancing heart health and boosting metabolism. It's like having your own internal health coach, working tirelessly to keep you in the best shape. Beyond its health benefits, matcha holds a revered place in Japanese culture. It's the heart of the traditional tea ceremony, a practice that emphasizes mindfulness, respect, and purity. This cultural gem teaches us the art of slowing down and appreciating the moment, all while nourishing our bodies. So, sipping on matcha doesn't just calm the mind, it packs a punch against illnesses. How's that for a tea time twist? Natto might just be the most polarizing breakfast in Japan. It's sticky, it's stringy, and it's incredibly healthy. This traditional Japanese dish, made from fermented soybeans, has a distinctive aroma and a texture that can be a challenge for the uninitiated. Yet those who dare to try it might find themselves hooked on its unique qualities. Diving into the health benefits, natto is a powerhouse. It's packed with vitamin K2, a rare nutrient not commonly found in Western diets, which helps in bone health and reducing the risk of heart diseases. More impressively, natto contains nattokinase, an enzyme believed to greatly aid in improving blood circulation and preventing blood clots. This makes natto a champion for cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of natto is also linked with enhanced digestive health due to its high levels of probiotics, the friendly bacteria that keep your gut running smoothly. Natto might not win a beauty contest, but it sure does take the crown for heart health. Seaweed isn't just for sushi rolls and scenic underwater photos, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Dive into the deep with us as we explore the vibrant world of seaweed, an unsung hero in the pantheon of superfoods. First up, let's talk about nori, the familiar green wrap that holds your sushi together. Beyond its culinary use, nori is a treasure trove of vitamins A, C, and E, and boasts a high protein content. It's like the leafy green of the ocean. Next, meet wakame. This subtly sweet seaweed is often found floating in your miso soup. It's packed with iodine, essential for thyroid health, and is a fantastic source of calcium and magnesium. Think of wakame as the milk of the sea, but with fewer calories and more flavor. And let's not forget kombu, the umami king of seaweeds. Used primarily to flavor broths, kombu is rich in iodine and dietary fiber, supporting not just thyroid function but also digestive health. So next time you wrap your sushi, remember you're wrapping up a wealth of health benefits. Shiitake mushrooms aren't just tasty, they're also referred to as the elixir of life. In the heart of Japan's culinary traditions, these remarkable fungi have been enhancing dishes with their rich, earthy flavor for centuries. But there's more to shiitakes than meets the palate. Famed for their health-promoting properties, these mushrooms are a powerhouse of nutrients. For starters, shiitake mushrooms are celebrated for bolstering the immune system. They contain polysaccharides like lentinan, which are thought to promote immune function and even combat the growth of tumors. Furthermore, these mushrooms are friends to your heart. They have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, thanks to their beta-glucans and arotidinine substances. This means they not only taste good but also help keep your heart running smoothly. Rich in B vitamins, shiitakes help maintain energy levels and brain function, proving that good things do come in small, flavorful packages. Who knew immortality could be so delicious? Ever noticed how Japanese meals are served in smaller plates? There's art and science behind it. In Japan, one of the fundamental principles of eating is not just what you eat, but how much you eat. This brings us to the concept of Hara Hachi Bu, a Confucian teaching urging people to eat until they are only 80% full. This practice isn't just about stopping before you're stuffed. It's a deliberate effort to control calorie intake and enhance longevity. By eating slower and paying more attention to their bodies, the Japanese are able to stop eating at just the right moment. It's no wonder Japan boasts one of the lowest obesity rates in the world. Portion control is a skill, honed by mindfulness and practice. For instance, using smaller plates can trick the brain into feeling satisfied with less food. It's about enjoying the full spectrum of flavors and textures without overindulging. Mastering the art of portion control might just be your ticket to a healthier life inspired by Japan. Scene script. Imagine eating something that has almost 0 calories but still fills you up. Enter konnyaku, a gelatinous yam cake. This remarkable food is made from the root of the konjac plant, which thrives in the subtropical and tropical regions of East Asia. It's not just a culinary oddity, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Konnyaku is celebrated for its high fiber content. This isn't just any fiber, but a special type called glucomannan, known for its impressive water absorption abilities. This fiber can absorb up to 50 times its weight in water, which contributes to a feeling of fullness, helping with weight management without the calorie load. Moreover, this fibrous food plays a crucial role in blood sugar control. By slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, konnyaku helps maintain steadier blood glucose levels, which is particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or looking to reduce sugar spikes. So, if you're counting calories, konnyaku could be your new best friend. Japan boasts one of the highest life expectancies in the world. Want to know their secret? The cornerstone of Japanese longevity isn't a single ingredient but a symphony of dietary habits that harmonize perfectly. At the heart of their diet you find a balance that many strive to achieve but few master. It's a delicate mix of rice, fish, vegetables, and an array of fermented foods. These elements not only tantalize the taste buds but also fortify the body. Rice serves as a staple, providing a gentle source of energy without overwhelming the system with sugars. Fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supports heart health and cognitive function, while vegetables contribute a spectrum of vitamins and antioxidants that ward off diseases. Fermented foods, a celebrated chapter in the culinary book of Japan, bring probiotics to the table, enhancing gut health and boosting the immune system. Think miso, soy sauce, and natto. These aren't just flavors, they're fuel for a longer life. Adopting a Japanese diet might not make you immortal, but it's a step closer to a longer, healthier life. Fascinated by how a diet can dramatically influence your health and longevity? Well, if today's journey through Japan's healthiest foods has piqued your interest, imagine what else is out there waiting to be discovered. From the bustling street food markets of Thailand to the ancient grain fields of Peru, our channel is a treasure trove of nutritional wisdom and culinary secrets from every corner of the globe. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more delicious dives into the world of health. Itadakimasu, and see you in the next video.